guys, we're going to La Union! Yeah! Oh my God! Excited na ako. First time. I got myself some pandesal! And this is full of snacks we love. Also, I dyed my hair. So nice. Kagabi, sa camera mukha siyang maganda, no? Pero when you see it in person, I have wet hair! Oh my God. An additional show. I feel like BTS wants to see me. Say hi to my vlog! Hi! We're gonna take pictures! Get pictures, please. And parang solo lang na may resort. I don't know why. Ma! Pa! Kaway kayo! Consider. What are you doing? We're gonna eat food and we finished day 1. So, kanta natin kung anong gagawin natin today. And right now, we're gonna eat biryani. And Papa is nasa condo kasi nanonood siya ng Ginebra game. Tapos, later, magpo-post na ako ng IG story. Which is super excited ako. Tomorrow, gigising kami ng maaga to go walk on the beach, on the seaside, on the shore. Tapos, after nun, mag-ready na kami, magbe-breakfast na kami, and then we will go to San Juan, which is yung pinaka-main beach here sa LU.
Oh my God!
Okay. Oh my God, food is here! French fries. Vegetarian. What's this? Is Skyler my vegetables? Hi guys! I made this. It's soju, grape, Sprite, and Yakult. Taste test. Go! One, two, go. Good. Sarap. Ito gusto.
Pero kung kare, siya yung merong 3 tan, tapos nasa kanya last tan, pwede ko isapo sa kanya. Pwede rin. Okay.
Game? Game. Uy, 5 minutes ka lang nagturo.
Demonstration nga yan, hindi turo eh.
Oo, baba ako.
Hindi, pwede ibaba yan. Huwag ka na magbaba kasi nandyan, secret mo na lang yan.
Secret.
Bahala ka.
Bakit? Natatakot kang matalo?
Hindi, tingnan ko ba?
Ay!
Ay, dapat ako mo tingin sa'yo, ikaw mo tingin sa
Naka ni
akin.
Papa, tingnan mo!
O tingnan mo sa akin, oh. Abangan mo, dapat ka.
Scam mo kami, Mama.
Paturuan mo nga to sila pa, ang tigas ng mga pagmumukha.
Okay, they're learning how to alley walk. Yay! Mali!
Ulit.
Collecting shells because I'm gonna take pictures later. Oh my God, there's so many. I want the pretty ones. Tinitignan ko kung may laman kasi I'm scared of the stuff. I'm scared of the laman. I am right now looking like a mama. Kasi I forgot to do my hair last time. Here is the finished product of my hair. How do you like it? Using Skylar's curl. We have a very pretty bathroom, right?
Yep.
I like the mirror. Water for everyone. With vinegar. I dyed my hair because I need it. No! No more pictures for me. Devoured. We're in San Juan and we just finished taking pictures.
The waves are so big.
I'm finally satisfied sa gawa ni Skylar.
You're welcome.
She had a hard time with my scolding last night. Exciting at the same time. Kanina tinry kong magpunta dun sa wave. Muntik na ako hilain. Wala pa naman yatang marunong mag-CPR dito. Say hi! Say hi! It's my vlog. It's raining and we're nagpapaulan.
It's fine na. No, actually, our car is parked in the
Yeah, it's very far. The tree and I'm gonna take pictures. Wait, tinatamad ako kasi I have ticketing later. So I don't know, I might not get pictures from myself. Hi, so I just finished swimming. It's our third day today and it's currently 8:05 I think. And I'm gonna get ready to secure my tickets. We're lining up. I'm scared. I'm gonna get the tickets today. I know it. Sinabi ko yun sa lahat ng kakilala ko. Sabi ko, kung mahal talaga ako ni Jimin, mag-a-add sila ng day 3.
Ako.
Skylar! 30 seconds, 30 seconds. Mag-break ka. Yes, I'm in. Yes. 3 digits for 34,000.
I'm human.
Diyos ko po. Ano yan? 34,000 yung isa ko. 203! 203,000! Oh my God, this is really bad. 29. Dito.
May 29 ka? Diyan ka sa 29.
Hindi nakasya yun. Hindi naabot yun.
Bakit?
25,000 lang capacity ng stadium.
Oh my God.
Check na natin para wala.
Ba yan? Nakakahiya mag-reply kay Jara. 29,000 pinakamababa ako. 42. Bleachers 142 best available.
She's locked in.
Sit tight. Oh my God, Jara, ba't di ka sumagot? I'm in. I'm securing it. Wait lang.
Did you pay na?
Not yet. Give me your code. Doon sa isa ko, ipapasok ko yung sa'yo.
Tagal.
Your turn! It's my turn!
Sweating, wait lang.
Uy, asan na yung code? Code.
Ayan.
Okay, babak ko na tong isa ha. Hanap na ako iba. Oh, di yata tayo makakasecure. Dat ba nire-refresh ko kapag sit tight? Dito sa isa.
Mag-standing ka na.
Oh my God, wala nang bleachers. E. Oh my God, okay. I'll check out na.
Buka ko na.
Processing.
Please. I'll study really well. Please.
Oh my God, bumalik sa sit tight.
Got
Oh my God! Yay! Wait lang, check ko muna kung may pera pa yung Gcash ko. Wala akong pera! 75 na lang ang pera ko! May bigat pa ako! Hi guys! So, we are finally home and I still cannot believe na nakasecure na ako ng tickets. Thank you, Lord. The moral of the story is what is meant for you will find you. Buti na lang hindi ko spin-learned yung pera ko. Diyos ko. Anyway, see you, Bangtan. See you, BTS. Oh my God, I'm so happy.